Hello dear friends, welcome to Math with Amala. Follow this channel in order to get enriched in both content and score this year with me. Here we start grade 12 chapter 1 relations and functions. I have divided the chapter into 10 portions including the binary operations, and they includes the relations, types of relations, examples, exercise 1.1 and 1.2, types of functions 1 and 1.2, then the composition of functions and all. Part number 1 of relations and functions. What are relations? Actually, we have done this already in your previous year. Let's take two sets A and B with some elements in it, and we are defining a relation such that the elements in A is related to elements in B with some condition. So we can write this relation as set of all A comma B belonging to A cross B. A cross B means we are taking a combination of elements from A and B. A and B are related here. A is from capital A and B is from capital B, and it can be denoted by A related to B. Let us take an example. Like what is relation? We can find relations in our family itself. So let's take A is a brother of B. A is brother of B. Or A is sister of B. A is mother of A. Like that we can make a different. A is mother of B. You can make different relations inside our family. Likewise, let's create a relation set of all A comma B belonging to A cross B such that A is brother of B. From this example, you can see that we have taken an element from A and an element from B and they are connected. Let us consider the types of these relations. There are several relations like empty relations, universal relations, trivial relations, equivalence relations, reflexive relations, symmetric relations, and transitive relations. There are several on the basis of the connection between the elements from A to B or A to A. What is empty set? If no element of A is related to any element in A, if we have some elements in A and nothing is related to each other, then we can say it's a phi. It's a phi set or phi relation, and it is a subset of A cross A. Okay, it is a subset of A cross A, and that relation is called empty relation. Universal relation means each element of A is related to every element in A. That means if we take A cross A, that complete relation will be that R. That complete crossing you will get, by complete crossing you will get R. That means it is a universal set. Equivalence set means you have to consider the upcoming three relations in order to prove the equivalency. Let's move to the reflexive relation and symmetric and transitivity. Reflexivity means if we take A comma A belonging to the A relation, that means A and A are related to each other. That is, if we take small a from a capital A, then that A is related to that A itself. You can see a symbol there, and that symbol is called for all. For all. V with a crossing, that is called for all. That's a denotation. So you can read it like if A comma A belongs to R, for all A belongs to A, that relation is called reflexive relation. Then what is symmetric relation? If A1 comma A2 belongs to R implies A2 comma A1 belongs to R for all A comma A1 comma A2 belonging to A. Then we can say it's a symmetric relation. That is A1 is related to A2, A2 is related to A1. Then it is symmetric. Then the transitivity. A1 and A2 related, A2, A3 related. This implies if the two conditions are already applied and the third one, A1 and A3 are related, then we can say that it's a transitive relation. For simply, you can say 1 related to 2, 2 related to 3. Then it should implies 1 related to 3. Okay. Then the seventh one is trivial. That is, empty or universal sets are sometimes called trivial. Trivial means it is the obvious case. We don't want to define it further because it's an obvious case. It is always true. Emptiness and universal relations. Thank you all for watching the video. This is all about the part 1, which contains the introduction of relations and types. Please be stay tuned for the next.